I just like the whole thing. I think that since I made my body more sharp and then the tree more blurred, it's a nice contrast. I'm leaving the school next year, so I'm one of the leaves falling off the tree, and then the tree can grow new students to be successful.
So for my image, I increase the saturation on the background as much as possible to give everything a bunch of color, because when you're younger, everything can seem more colorful than it really is, and I wanted to capture that with my image. My favorite part is that I'm happy and smiling and laughing, because I think it captures life and movement in the image, and I like when images capture life and movement.
I would do anything just to go down that slide. When we put ourselves into another background and blend it, the art piece itself tells more than one great story.
In my photo, I decided to do like a little bit of my personality. So in the photo, I am, instead of looking at the camera like everybody else is, I am distracted at something that is kind of that you cannot see in the photo, because I get distracted a lot, and I feel like that's like a big part of my personality. And for the background, I did the art room, which is kind of like, I wouldn't say like my spirit place, because that sounds like really weird, but it's like very relaxing in there. And I sat at maybe the same desk for like a few years, so it got like very peaceful there, and I could just relate there easily.
My portrait is all the way down here, very far out in the Arctic, and it's a picture of a flower, because for me, I believe that it's not just the particular places at this school that matter as much as the memories and the things that our school has brought us, the happiness and the laughter, and everything that it has given to us, such as friends and friends as close as family, and yeah.